any discrepancies or any concerns about your grades, you're still good to reach out and express your concern. If we have anything to do, we will help. Okay. Now, after that, we have covered 6 quizzes so far. All the 6 quizzes grades are published. We will have quiz 7 day after tomorrow on Thursday. And I will be discussing only those 3 questions that you will have in your quiz 7. We will have only 3 questions. Directly, indirectly, I will be discussing those topics today. I will not be discussing that on Thursday, and you will just take your quiz on Thursday. So quiz 7 will be completed by this week, and we will only be left with 3 more quizzes and 1 more homework, which will be released on November 23rd with a due date until December 7th. So you all should be good with your homework component and quizzes so far. And lab 3 is in progress, and you can expect your lab 4 on November 16th. So socket project is completed. Homework, midterm exams completed with 24% weightage, and we have final exams scheduled on December 9th. So that being said, we are almost like 70 to 80% covered as your course components, and the weightages should be reflected, and you can see. I believe you all can see your grades now. The relative grades you should be able to see. Okay, so one more and few other things that you can notice here is you can go and check for your lab 2 solution. So I have uploaded lab 2 solution. You can go and have a look at your lab 2 solution. And apart from that, I have uploaded chapter 7 lecture material that I will start from day after tomorrow. But you can access your chapter 7 lecture material here. Chapter 6, which is what is the link here. Sorry, chapter 6. So with that, you are all good to go, and then I am pretty much okay with all of your midterm exam 2 performance. It was around 81%. The mean score is 81%. Should be good. And we had 100 students registered for the course during the beginning. 9 have left. We have 91 students still. Relatively, it is better. You are doing good is what is the indication. I want all of you to finish off these quizzes at a high note. Please don't try to ignore your quizzes and try to give up points here. So these are few quick updates that I wanted to show, and I will continue to talk about the remaining topics that I want to discuss. So particularly, what is the need of network address translation? People have debated over having network address translation in place. Even now, people debate over like the good, bad factors of network address translation. Network address translation happens at router. Since it happens at router, it is more into your routing. Since it is routing, it is a network layer. Think like this side is what is your local area network, and the rest is your wide area network where you are connected to the internet. The rest of the world will only look at your one IP address through which the data can enter. So if you think like this is what is your entry point. Now the entry point router incoming IP address. Incoming interface IP address is what is visible to the rest of the world. So they will not know 10.0.0.1, they will not even know .2.3. Instead, they just know the entry point interface to where your local area network is connected. But your local area network devices can still see everything in your outside world. So let's say a local area network device wants to send a data to a device connected in LAN with a particular IP address. So given this scenario, your network address translation happens at your router. Like this router is responsible for making them getting connected. So how does that happen? There is a small animation to look at. So the data path with source and destination in this network will have, see the actual IP address will be masked here. Now you can see that 10.0.0, that's it. you will not even say 1, 2, 3, 4 because that doesn't really matter. As long as data comes to this router will do address translation to figure out who is the actual intended receiver or destination. So the outside world will only look at your 10.0.0/24, and whenever the data is leaving the local area network to the world wide area network, the rest of the internet, so it will see the router's outgoing interface. So the router's outgoing interface is 138.76.29.7. So that's how it is. And you have to know there are